Baumer FlexFlow, the calorimetric flow sensor for the milk industry, provides solutions for many applications, from the process to the packaging. From the regulating of the temperature of the cooling and heating circuits in the heat exchanger through contamination control for membrane filtration, vibration reduction in the separator, the ensuring of the product quality of homogenization, to the assurance of food safety for bottle cleaning, as well as an increase in efficiency for the CIP system through the measurement of the correct flow speed. FlexFlow for the monitoring and ensuring of cleaning speed in the supply and return lines of your CIP system for optimal cleaning results throughout the entire system. With the hygiene-compatible BHC, Baumer Hygienic Connection, you avoid dead spaces and long cleaning cycles. The calorimetric flow sensor differentiates between no flow and flow through the recognition of whether heat is being removed by the medium or not. No heat is transported here, which means that nothing flows. If the medium is flowing, more energy is transported away. The more energy is transported, the greater the flow speed. This is issued as a linear analog output. Through the use of a symmetrically laid out sensor element, the sensor is independent of the installation location. The hermetic seal of the sensor element enables sensor use with the lowest media temperatures. There is no condensation in the sensor area. Flow measurement up to 125 degrees Celsius media temperature. CIP, SIP compatible sensor. FlexFlow in 2 versions. Industry-specific process connections, as well as hygienic process connections with our Baumer-specific BHC. Available as analog variants with 2 outputs for temperature and flow, as well as in an IO-Link version. For more information, see www.baumer.com/flexflow.